Hello, today we will guide you through how to export data from KoboToolbox to Excel. If you need to move your KoboToolbox data into a format you can open and work with in Microsoft Excel, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening your project all the way to generating an Excel-compatible export file. To begin, go to KoboToolbox. Once you're on the KoboToolbox home screen, you should see your list of available projects. This is the main area where your forms and collected data are organized, so it's the starting point for most data management tasks. From there, click on Sample Project. Selecting the correct project is important because exports are generated from the specific form or data set you want to work with. If you have several projects in your account, take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one before continuing. After the project opens, click on Data at the top of the page. The Data section is where KoboToolbox lets you review submissions, manage records, and prepare downloads. If you're looking to analyze responses outside the platform, this is the section you'll use most often. Next, click on Downloads. This area contains the export options for your project data. KoboToolbox supports different file formats, and the Downloads section is where you choose the one that best matches the tool you want to use afterward. Now click on the Select Export Type option and choose XLS. This tells KoboToolbox that you want your data prepared in an Excel-friendly format. Choosing the correct export type matters because it determines how easily the file opens in spreadsheet software and how ready it is for sorting, filtering, or further analysis. Once XLS is selected, click on Export. KoboToolbox will begin preparing the file for download. Depending on the size of your dataset, this may happen almost instantly or take a little longer. If your export does not appear right away, just give it a moment while the platform generates the file. After the export is ready, you can download it and open it in Excel to review your data. From there, you'll be able to organize rows and columns, apply filters, and continue your reporting or analysis more efficiently. That's all it takes to export data from KoboToolbox to Excel. Follow these same steps anytime you need an updated spreadsheet version of your project data.